Hello, welcome to Be Nice and Collect. So I got this for a while now and it's time to open him since I'll be getting two additional Yu Yu Hakusho Nendoroids anytime soon. And let's see how durable the clamshell inside which protects the figure because as you can see it was heavily damaged by shipment. Let's see if the Nendoroid is fine despite of being crushed during shipment. So let's start with the main Nendoroid. So far, it is it is doing fine, and I don't see any damages at all. Good thing the hard clamshell protects the Nendoroid securely. So far, the joints are working fine, and I don't see any issues. Let's check the other parts. So far, good thing that it didn't damage at all. Even the small parts or even the thin parts, it did not damage our Nendoroid at all. So we could say that the clamshell of this Nendoroid works. Let's take a look onto the other parts. So far, no damage or no whatsoever. The clamshell did protect the Nendoroid. So let's try to exchange its parts and what we could poses that we could do. Let's do the iconic ray gun of Yusuke. This one is quite easy. As you all know, if you've been following my channel, this is my second Yusuke. I used to own a custom Nendoroid doll of Yusuke. And here's with Kurama. I'm so excited to own additional two Yu Yu Hakusho Nendoroids. And hopefully next week they will arrive and I will do a review of them as well. So basically that's it guys. Thanks for watching this video. Shout out to Toy Unboxing family, friends and viewers. See you in my next video. Keep safe everyone. Bye bye.